Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. Ngayon, magluluto ako ng stir-fry pork Chinese style with mushroom. Ang gagamitin ko guys, yan, bell pepper, spring onion, soy sauce, oyster sauce, mushroom, garlic, ginger, sugar, and pork. Napakadali lang na ito guys. Isa-isa lang. Okay. Gagamit din pala ako ng ano guys, sesame oil. Okay, ilagyan natin itong pork, soy sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, black pepper. Yan guys, lalagyan natin to guys. Yan, ito natin guys. Yan, yan yung spray natin. Lalagyan ko ng cornstarch guys. Yan, lagyan ko ng konting tubig guys. Yan, yun. At least i-marinate natin to guys ng ano, 1 hour or 30 minutes to 1 hour. Okay. Pasensya na guys, maingay sa kabila. Gumagawa ng ano. I-glance ko muna itong garlic guys. Yan, pinipit ko lang yan guys. Yan, balikan na natin. Lagyan natin natin itong small onion. Yan guys, ginger. Lagyan ko na rin itong mushroom guys. Yan, ayos na yun guys, makablanch na. Ilagyan ko na rin itong pepper. Ayos na yan guys, alisin ko na. Ito na guys yung nakamarinate ng 1 hour. Sirtayin natin. Maninipis lang yan guys. Yan o. Yan na guys. Napakadaling lutuin. 6 minutes cooking time. Ilakas nyo lang yung apoy. Okay. Gagawin natin guys. Nalagyan natin itong vegetable. Yun. Yun guys. Okay. Lagyan natin ng sesame oil. Okay. Onion mix. Okay guys. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.